Alright, we are ready to go up on the roof here and do a quick inspection of the roof for a roof estimate, get some measurements while I'm here. Set the ladder up. It was a little breezy up there. The mic on the camera was really bad, so I had to improvise. So what I did, if you can see this in my mirror here, I took a napkin from my lunch a little bit ago on both sides here, shoved it in between the case and the microphone cover, so when we step out there, hopefully you'll be able to hear me okay. So, quick little backstory from what I gathered from the owner here. It was 2017, bought the house. In the real estate transaction, they needed a new roof. So the seller got the roof done. I don't know if it was a professional company, if it was friends or what. Typically when it's done or in a real estate transaction, from my experience, it needs to be from a company or some sort of documentation showing they are getting it done by a company. But I don't know. I have no idea. That's about 4 years ago. So we're going to check this out. Like I said, I got up there, got just a few feet on it. It was too windy for the camera, but there's some bad things to point out on this. So let's go jump up there. I hope you can hear real quick. And I apologize if this gets in the way, but I think it's gonna work pretty good. They put 3-tab up. If you're new to roofing and you're gonna do 3-tab, just look up a few videos on how to do it. I was going to talk about the edge metal and the bottom edge and how it's tucked, but let's not even get into it. Let's just do a quick inspection of the roof. By the way, these kickouts, they're pretty sweet. I use them all the time. If I'm not using my telescoping ladder, this is my first choice. So just look at the pattern here. 3-tab is, you can't just throw tabs up wherever and however. You can see they've got some stacked. This is an absolute no-no. I don't know why this is cut and pieced in like this, but that cut joint right there is not good at all. All right, here's another one completely through. So you got water intrusion coming in down here. The only last defense is paper if they've got it. And this is just all the way out. So every third tab, every 36 inches or so, you're gonna have another one. There's another one. This just doesn't look good. The front side looks a lot better than the back. By the way, if you look down here low enough, you can see a little bit of wave to this. I believe it's a modular. So the structure, and I don't know what kind of substrate or decking they've got, but we're looking at the roof covering and the slop that this has. Got a sheet buckling up right here. That's a mess. But this is an absolute disaster back here. Let's just start over on one end. Looking at the box vents they installed, it appears to me that they were just put down on the roof deck and then the roofing came on top, because this shingle here, there's no flashing exposed, no flange of this is exposed. So I can tell there's nothing here. That means this is on top. This one here, even if they try to go on top, it only goes that high. So my guess is this is down on the roof deck. That's why they've all been sprayed with like a silicone coating to try to stop it. That's not good. Another keyway lined up, just you know, this is the common theme between this. They're all, you know, stretched too high. There's some disappearing rows. Sorry for the dogs back here. They actually tried to like spray the entire roof with whatever this is, but it's not gonna work. There's a piece of wood decking. You can see it's raised right here. Actually, all the way up to there, over and down, like they may have put a piece of wood on top of something. That's going to be an issue, because right here it causes a hump, and when water comes in each one of these, it's going to start running laterally and it could go off into a keyway. There's a nail in the wrong spot. Let's go on a little further. There's another area where wood is raised up or buckling or on top of something, because you can see another big hump. More keyways just kind of stacked. That's not even going to be covered right there. I don't know who in the heck was doing this, but the Laced Valley 3-tab attempt. This looks like it might have a few issues going on, I'd say, but at least it appears they got it going under. This is disconnected. Oh my. If you're new, I would highly advise you to learn to install a dimensional over a 3-tab, because 3-tab has certain pattern you've got to follow. It's easy to mess up and easy to make look ugly. Whoever cut was kind of careless when they were cutting their shingles. That's another flange. I can see shingle. I don't see this is down to the roof deck and then shingled over. Same here. You can clearly see it's all on top of the flange. More stacked, stretched. So the issue you're going to get is where those keyways are. I got to find it. It's probably just barely right under the edge right here. Yeah, right here you can see it. And some more. I can't believe this has lasted 4 years. I'm kind of blown away. This could not have been a contractor company. Oh. This doesn't look good. Nails the wrong area to just, I don't know what they're thinking here. I'm blown away. Look at this row. It's got to be one of the records I've seen. It doesn't appear that the garage is in any better shape. Oh, wow. Holy cow, did they do this at 2 different times? That is, that's art right there. It's racked in. I would hope that they didn't install them that bad that they've probably blown through the fiberglass mat or don't have nails and they're heating and sliding down, but I don't know. I'm gonna go on a wild guess here that there's probably no flashing in there. I'm sure there's water wicking back up under this. Huh. You can see the decking in there. The shingles cut right at the edge right here. It's kind of a low slope for wow, it looks like they got 3/4 inch plywood or OSB in there. Looks like 3/4. Oh, my paper towel's getting in the way there. I hope you can hear. It's breezy. On my deaf ear, I can hear it. Try to maybe tear that off. Yeah. Gotta wrap up. If you're buying a home, because I see this a lot, and you're in a real estate transaction, and part of the deal is whether it's a buyer or seller, one of the parties is going to opt to have it done. If they're going to choose, you want to do some research before you give a reply to your buyer's response or inspection response, whatever the terminology is. Make sure it's somebody you think is okay, somebody that is there and has a presence and a number to contact. If there's a problem, they're going to take care of it. Just make sure it's not their friend or a family member that's going to attempt something like this. And if you're new and you want to do your own roof, I'm going to go down. It's pretty damn windy. Just do a little bit of research on good installation techniques. Here, I'm kind of sheltered a little bit here because this one is not good. It's pretty bad. I feel bad that it's been 4 years and this needs completely stripped down, possibly some decking done. I'm gonna have to go get my tape measure, get this measured up, and figure it for an estimate. Anyway, just a little knowledge on real estate transactions and do-it-yourself stuff. And 3-tab, pipe flashing, how you tuck them, not good. Give it a thumbs up if you could. Let me know what kind of stuff you like. Do you like these inspection videos? If you could, let me know down below. Until next time, be safe. We'll see you then.